What's up, Tucson Unified students? I'm Leah Durain with Suntran. If you just started riding the bus to get to school, I have some quick tips on how to use our Suntran app to help you with your ride. First, download the Suntran app from the Apple Store or Google Play. Then search for your bus stop. For example, if you attend Tucson High School, this is what the map will look like. These dots are bus stops. Click on them to see which routes they service and how far away the next bus is. Be sure to notice if the stop is headed westbound, eastbound, or going north or south. These stops are for multiple routes, so check the number on your bus before you hop on. Don't forget to board through the rear door and wear your mask. If you need additional help, just give us a call, 520-792-9222. Happy riding!